Hi guys, this is Fam. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple AI workflow to automatically track your expense. So I personally use this workflow for my expense tracking and also for my wife's project expense tracking as well. So we find it's actually very saving and also very convenient to use. So it has the following capabilities. So first, it will automatically check our Google Drive photos to see if any new receipts which need processing. And then we use OpenAI to analyze the image and extract the critical elements from the image, including dates, business name, total amount, and expense category, etc. So finally, it will automatically bookkeeping in Wave automatically with all those critical information. Wave, for folks don't know, Wave is a accounting tool used in Canada, and it's like equivalent as QuickBook. So we use it because it offers a free plan, which it's very easy to use and meet our expectations. So without further ado, I will jump to the demo directly.
Okay, let's start the demo directly. By the way, this is a workflow I created. And for the sake of this demo, I already prepared a sample restaurant receipt from Lawrence Restaurant. Date is 20, December 12th, 2023, with a total amount $31.30. We're going to use this sample restaurant receipt for our demo. And then let's have a quick look at the Wave. So currently, this is a Wave, the accounting tool we use. And currently, if I search Lorem, I don't see any transactions. After I run the demo, we should be able to see a new transactions being automatically added in here and for bookkeeping purpose. And let's start the workflow directly. And as you can see, the workflow started and find one items and then use OpenAI to analyze the image, extract all the informations, and then bookkeeping Wave. And also it will send and notify me in my Discord as a message. So let's take a look at my Discord message. So this is a receipt from a Lawrence restaurant with date, which is 2023, December 12th, total amount, which is correct, and the category is a restaurant and a coffee bar. So this receipt already been processed and a transaction has been created in my Wave. So now let's take a look at Wave and do a refresh. See, so there's a new transaction has been created automatically. Oh, oops. And with the proper correct date and descriptions and account type and also categorized with the correct amount as well. And yeah, back to the workflow. And other than the main workflow, I also enhanced a little bit to allow us to use Gmail to upload and send the receipts as well. So for any of the reasons we cannot upload directly to our Google Drive, so we can use email. And once the email is triggered, it will automatically process attachment and upload to our Google Drive. So once the receipts have been uploaded to the Google Drive, it then will automatically trigger the Apple workflow to process the receipts by using OpenAI and finally adding new transactions and bookkeeping in Wave. So that's it for the demo. So this is a very simple and straightforward workflow with AI, and we find it's very useful. So we have been using it for our expense tracking for both myself and my wife. And Yeah, so if you like it, and please feel free to comment my video or subscribe my channel because I will be sharing uh, real use cases and other demos, AI automation use cases and demos regularly. And yeah, if you like to have this workflow for your own usage, just leave a message or pin me directly on my website or any other social platform, so I can send you yeah, the workflow. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.